feel that the sample has to be changed. Civil service is not about one cadre, there are 14 different cadre services in it. So you have to reform it holistically. Generalizations नहीं चाहिए उसके अंदर, myths नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है, आप कह रहे हैं ठीक है 41 commissions बनी हैं, but I think inclusivity जो है that is missing. So this is my point in it.
Excuse me, just a minute. I don't want to.
Excuse me, sorry. We have to end the session because we have to start another session after this. So we continue the conversations privately.
If you have not heard me, do I understand that you haven't heard me? Do I understand that you don't want to listen to me? 2 minutes, what is going to take? You people have been negotiating up and down. What happens if I talk for 2 minutes? What's the problem? There should be no issue. In 1995, 96, I went to Paris. I met a person over there by the name of Giscard d'Estaing. He was the mayor of Paris. I asked him what is the first premier thing that you make sure that everything is working fine in the city. He said the roads. And go and look at the roads in Islamabad. I don't want to say anything. My friend over here is there's a road being made over here, 5-6 roads being made. It's almost 2 years that work started and it hasn't been completed. I don't know what to do. You're creating problems for the people and you are creating problems for the country because more fuel